What's up guys? Got this TORVO TD3 dash cam I'm going to install. 4K HD, 5K Wi-Fi, night vision, park monitoring, if you get the wiring kit, front and rear recording, and built-in GPS. So I'm not going to go majorly into the install because it's basically straightforward, but I think I mainly will show you the videos that come off of this because that's pretty much what everybody's interested in. Installation is the easy part, am I right? So they give you a little clear plate that you stick to your window first. This works great if you want to get this off your windshield after. This is the camera itself. Don't mind them crows. You tell them, Gizmo. Comes with a trim tool. The front camera is 4K and your 12-volt accessory power. SD card is included, 64 gig. I'm going to install it in the little baby Renegade. Do a temporary hookup. We'll download this Vidger app. Continue to Google Play. Apparently I had something that used the same app. I'm going to the settings. It says Wi-Fi app. Doing that, looks like enabled it. So let's see if I can find it now. There it is, TORVO TD3. So you have to enable on the camera the Wi-Fi app. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is the password. Let's see, you're connected. GPS is connected. Now that we're connected, we can change settings and everything through here. Go into the settings. Sound recording is on. Speaker volume is medium. Video resolution is 4K. Loop duration is 1 minute. Watermark, we'll leave that on for now. Collision sensing I'll leave off. I have a bumpy road. Booting voice we'll leave on. Speed units we will switch to miles per hour. Frame rate of time-lapse video. That's if you have the hardware kit, which I do not. That would directly wire you to the vehicle. And you have your Wi-Fi name, password, firmware version, format SD card, and factory reset. App gives you a lot of information. There's all the recordings. Let's download. Shows where we are on Google. That's pretty cool. Says we're doing 6 miles an hour, but you know, I'm in a metal garage, so I'm sure GPS isn't great. Shows direction we're going, which we're not going anywhere, but I'm doing allow all. It records in .ts format. It's in my camera roll. Pick something that's more recent. Try that one. We'll see how this video turns out. .ts format, as you can see. And that's done. It should be in my camera roll right there. We'll see how this video turns out and do some night videos, of course. So I'm catching a little bit of this. There is a player that comes on the disc. We're going to install that. Open up a file. And we'll see if it'll read it. It is playing it. It has not picked up the speed or the direction. Looks like it's still in China somewhere. So you can switch from the map to the files, but these aren't working either. Now work through the app. That means definitely give you coordinates and the speed. Just not picking it up through here for some reason. You got 3840 by 2160 resolution, and the sound sounds pretty good. So as you can see, 25 frames per second. Audio is AAC. You can get the rear camera with this. It comes with a front and rear camera. Rear camera is 1080. Front camera is still 4K. May do that one in the future. Just want to get something in a little Florida baby Jeep. Close my window. Put the air on. So being 4K, you should be able to crop this zoomed in double and get 1080, so it should have a very good picture. The frame rate is 30 frames per second, but we'll confirm that. That guy's got bees flying all over his truck. I wonder if they made a nest back in his bed. That'd be messed up. They almost look like honeybees. Directly into the sun. Yeah, we keep the kayaks on the roof, just in case we want to go kayaking. Looks like the screen stays on. Got pretty good coverage. Looks like it might crop the top and the bottom a little bit. I was going to say read the license plates, but Florida doesn't have front license plates. We have to pull up behind somebody. Looks like it has a nice wide angle. It caught that truck even though I was going on that 90-degree turn. See how it looks off-road, boys? I can't believe you could see all the way over. Oh, it's a reflection. Boot up time's pretty quick, 3 to 4 seconds. Early morning, sun hasn't come up yet, all the way. Nice old Bronco. Nice job, buddy. Huh. What's that? Straps? Some kind of harness. I don't think he made that light. Turkeys are out. $274. Holy mackerel. $274. And then go all the way to the end of Ozella, which is 9 miles. Road ends there. Oh. Do a little night test. So far I'm pretty impressed. See eyeballs. Let's see, what is it? Oh, it's a cat. It's a kitty cat. nice little dash cam. If you guys are interested, I'll have the links down below and any kind of discounts they give me. Thanks for watching, guys. That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.